Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. This video is dedicated to my grandfather. And what you're looking at right now is one of the many things that he made during his lifetime. My grandfather was great with his hands. He was actually my inspiration. Let me take a closer look to show you the quality of this. This was all made by hand. It's a little dusty. It's old, very old. I haven't touched it in a while. See all sides. Look. The only thing that I did do, I redid these strings. The strings that were originally on there were so old that they were breaking. So I took some thread. I didn't have the same quality string that my grandfather had on it. And to go with the theme of the red and blue on there, there's even some brown. And also to represent Puerto Rico, I did red, white, and blue. Also represents our country, America. So that's what it looks like when it's not lit up. Let me show you what he also did. Okay, what he did is he added some lighting inside. And if you give it a moment, you're going to see the different colors start to go in and out, fade in and out. And what it looks like on the side is like these little beads are the lights, but actually the lights are inside, which through the clear plexiglass which he used, you could see. But I thought it was a great project. I wanted to share it as a do-it-yourself, give you some ideas. He used shells, he used plexiglass, he created this piece of wood right here, of course, with much molding and time, turned it into a ship, screwed it, some places glued it. If you can see right here, there's a screw. Some places he glued it together, which you can't see because it was so well done and painted, and all by hand. I want to show one thing he inspired me to make and a few of the other things he made over his time. What you're looking at now is a house I built. I'm not going to go into the house and show you all the details because I actually have a video. I'll leave a link at the end of the video so you can see that. But like I said, my grandfather was my inspiration. I'll show you a quick look at this house that my grandfather built. As you see, I decorated it inside with furniture. There's actual lighting in there, which you should be able to see. This has been there a while without any touch. So one of the rooms had a hurricane. It's equipped with everything, even a bathroom. Beautiful job he did. Now the second house I'm showing you here is actually clear house, such as if it was a glass, but it's made out of plexiglass. This one was decorated by my grandfather with most of the items when he was alive, and then I think my mom added these things, but a nice look at that. It's also dusty. These have been in storage for many years and haven't been touched, but these are things that you would go to stores such as FAO Schwartz. All the things that you saw today were made by my grandfather, the exception of the house that I showed you. And again, there's a link to that video. This video is dedicated to my grandfather. Check out my other videos, like them as well. And thanks for watching.